24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. Math is everywhere. Math is really important in our life. It plays a major role in a child's cognitive development. Children from the age of 1 to 5 years start thinking creatively and critically, exploring patterns and shapes, comparing sizes, counting objects, analyzing, and solving problems. Introduction of number 11. Tell the children that today they will recognize number 11, its value, and trace number 11 with correct formation. Recognition of number 11 and its value. Write number 11 on the writing board. Tell them that this is number 11. Introduce the number value with the help of book. Show picture, count and say 11 potatoes. 11 potatoes. 11 potatoes. 11 potatoes. Repeat at least 3 times. Ask children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Play a number game with children. Ask them to follow the instructions. For example, clap 11 times. Formation of number 11. Write number 11 on the board and give instructions. Write one and then another to make 11. Write one and then another to make 11. Ask them to open their textbook, count, color, match objects with number 11. Ask them to open their textbook and trace number 11 with the help of dots and arrows. Encourage them to trace number 11 in the air or on their desk or on their hands with the help of index finger. Write some jumbled numbers on the writing board. And ask children to recognize 11. Reinforcement worksheet of number 11 can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.